Today is our Unit 6, Lesson 20, and you may be watching this on Thursday or Friday, or you can take the spelling test either one of those days. Remember, our schedule is very flexible to how it fits you best. So let's go ahead and get started. So today is our spelling test. When we take this test, I'm going to read a word aloud and then use it in a sentence. I will give you time to write each word. At the end, I will go back to the list and read each spelling word one more time. So go ahead and get out your fish book. Again, if you need to pause to get it out, that's fine. But go ahead and open up to worksheet 20.1, which is your spelling assessment. Okay, and I'm going to call out the words, and if I'm going too fast and you need to pause it or you need to rewind it, that's totally fine. You can just press pause and pick up whenever you're ready. So our first word is going to be painting. I enjoy painting. Painting. Our second word is going to be navy. I have an uncle that was in the Navy. Navy. Uh-oh, my things are falling. The next one is Madison. Dolly Madison is who we've been learning about. And then troops. We should always support our troops. Troops. And then hawks. We've been learning about the war hawks. Hawks. Okay, and then impressment. The word impressment was in our story this week. Impressment. Washington. I enjoy visiting Washington, D.C. Washington. Support. It's always nice to have the support of your family. Support. Again, if you need to pause it because I'm going too fast, that's fine. Just for time purposes, I'm just kind of going a little quick. Paved. We have a paved driveway. Paved. Monarchy. Do we live in a monarchy government? You learned about that. Monarchy. President. George Washington was our president. President. March. They marched in a line. March. Merchants. Dolly. We've been learning all about Dolly Madison. She was married to James Madison. Battle. The attack on Washington, D.C. was a battle. Battle. Congress. Death. Cannon. I love to do cannonballs into the water. This is talking about the cannon that shoots out. British. British. And then Ironsides. I want you to think about, why was our boat called Ironsides? Ironsides. Okay, go ahead and pause this to finish up, or go back and watch if you need to again, to any words that you missed. So I will now show you the correct spelling of each word so that you can correct your own work. You will correct your work by crossing out the incomplete spelling if you spelled it wrong, and copying and writing the correct spelling next to it. So our first word is painting, and I'm just going to go quick. You can pause it and fix it if you need to. But painting. Navy. Madison. Make sure you have that capital M. Troops. Hawks. Impressment. You can pause it if you need to. I don't want you to think I'm going too fast. Just pause it. Washington. Make sure you have that capital W. Support. Support. Paved. Paved. Monarchy. Monarchy. President. President. March. March. So it should not be capital because we were not talking about the month. Merchants. Merchants. Dolly. Capital Dolley. Battle. Battle. Congress. Capital Congress. Death. Death. Cannon. Cannon. British. Britich, and that capital B. And then our tricky word, Ironsides, capital IRONSIDES. Very good. Thanks, guys.